Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days, and when we last left off, I finished installing the ignition barrel with the ignition switch and a combination switch with the clock spring cable. So now I'm going to drill out the VIN number of the original, and I also have to drill off the VIN number from the donor that I got and replace those. I also got a center console from the junkyard that I'm going to be cleaning up and installing on there, and as well as the ignition wire harness, the connecting clip. um, I got a replacement one because the old one that I had was burnt out, and I took it off, um, and it pretty much just fell apart. So the connector piece I got, I'm gonna have to pop those out and then uh, I guess insert the connector wires, but I gotta match them up before I do anything as far as like removing all of them at once. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do one by one. So I'm gonna disconnect and then reconnect and then disconnect, reconnect, so that I have everything in order. Um, and also I'm gonna be cleaning up the dash and try to get that dash in this evening. Disclaimer: I am no professional mechanic. I've never done anything like this before, so you guys just bear with me. All right, so one down and then one to go. Finally got it off. Okay, so I got this rivet tool with a couple different types of rivets, the different sizes from Harbor Freight, and it was cheap. It was only like $5, I think. So we'll see how good it works. First, I would need to match up the rivets with the old ones that I took out to make sure, or I can actually look it up online and see what kind of rivet the VIN and airbag tag takes. Alright, so the rivet is actually a 1/8 size rivet that it takes. The one that I used first was a 532, and that was too big. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to put this dash back in. Let's see how far I get in doing this. Alright, so I was able to get it back in. and everything is lined up flush. I'm gonna go get the bolts and then just start tightening everything back up. Alright, so just gonna start tightening these back up. Everything is buttoned up except for this one right up here. I gotta go find the bolt for it. It was in a bag all by its lonesome. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so I found it. Now it's time to get this. Alright, I think that's it. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna call it a night. Alright, so the dash is back in now. I got a few wires connected. Would need to finish, I guess, the center console that I got from the junkyard. To install it back. Also need to get that HVAC system back in there so I can go ahead and connect all the controls, the levers or levers, depending on what part of the world you're at. Connect it back for all the vents. I think I got those wires in there routed in. A couple of these that I routed incorrectly. So tomorrow I'm gonna just pop those clips back in and then reroute the wire on top. And my daughter is now pulling up after everything is done. Anyhow, catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and put on that notification icon, the bell, so that you're alerted when a new video is uploaded. All right, peace, one love.